English grammar. Sentences. What is a fragment? Today we're going to learn about a sentence versus a sentence fragment. What is a sentence? Here are 5 features of a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that make sense. A sentence expresses a complete thought. A sentence begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation sign. A sentence has at least one verb and action word. Here are examples of complete sentences. Say why these groups of words are complete sentences. Tom jogs around the dam. What is the dam? Dam stores water. Do not go there. Come from there. Say why these groups of words are complete sentences. Do the sentences make sense? Do they express a complete thought? Where are the capital letters in the sentences? Do they have a proper end point? Was that a command? The sentence fragment is very close to being a sentence but is short of something. Example 1. John doing his homework. In this case, the verb seems incomplete. A complete sentence would say, John is doing his homework. The sentence fragment cannot stand on its own. It is incomplete. It needs something. The sentence fragment is very close to being a sentence but is short of something. Example 2. Spending many hours after school. In this case, the noun is missing and the verb incomplete. A complete sentence would say, John is spending many hours after school. The sentence fragment cannot stand on its own. It is incomplete. It needs something. The sentence fragment is very close to being a sentence but is short of something. Example 3. After so much effort, and he did so much better. After much effort, he did much better. A sentence fragment can provide much information and not be a complete sentence. Let us review what we have learned. Each sentence has a subject, actual or understood. Each sentence has a verb. There is a relationship between subject and verb in a sentence. A sentence expresses a complete thought. A fragment, although it may provide much information, has something missing. Closing remarks. We have learnt the differences between a sentence and an incomplete sentence. Next time, we will examine the structure of a sentence.